Replacing a furnace filter is the easiest way to maximize the efficiency of your heating system. You will want to change your filter around 4 times a year to prevent your furnace from overheating and restricting airflow. Failure to do so will shorten the life expectancy of your furnace. You will need a stepladder, depending on the location of the filter, a properly sized filter, a vacuum cleaner, and a flathead screwdriver. The size of the filter depends on the size of the opening. If you are unsure, measure the size of the opening from the inside of the grill. You want to start with a clean grill. Vacuum the outside of the grill with a suctioned brush to help reduce the mess. Next, open the 2 latches to release the grill. If they are too difficult to open by hand, you may need to use a flathead screwdriver to assist you. Remove the old filter. When installing the new filter, make sure the arrows are pointed in the direction of airflow, or up. Lastly, close the grill and re-secure the latches. If the latches get stuck, use the end of your screwdriver to hammer them in place. If you have any questions about the instructions in this video, please call HomeGuard at 855-331-1900.